Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to discuss why is it you never see female silver stackers or gold stackers or any precious metal stackers to that matter. Now I've been on YouTube for many years now, and even before I started making videos on silver stacking, I rarely stumble across any girls or ladies that make videos on stacking precious metals. And that was until today. I was scrolling through the feed, and as I watch lots of precious metal stacking videos, it recommends lots of silver stackers for me to watch. And today I stumbled across someone called Anna T. And as you can see, I've only just started watching one of her videos. I haven't even finished the video yet, and I thought I'm going to have to pause the video and make a video about this because it's so rare to hear a woman speaking about precious metals, and it's very, very refreshing to see. So in today's video, I kind of wanted to put it out there. Are there any female stackers that you are subscribed to, that you watch? Because I would really like to start watching some more. It's nice to know that there are female stackers out there as well. It's really refreshing to see that it's not just a men's game. And yeah, like I said, you don't often see women stackers. Even in the comment section, it's very few and far between that you see ladies commenting on the videos, talking about it. So I just want to put it out there. If you are a female silver stacker or gold stacker, let me know in the comment section, what's the reason for you not making YouTube videos about your stack? What's the reason that you think it's more a kind of male thing to do to stack precious metals? It's very, very interesting. I feel that you don't really get such a big divide in other investments. You get a lot of businesswomen, you get lots of females that invest in property, in stocks and shares, in crypto, any investment you can think of. You get a lot of females that are involved in it, and it just seems to be precious metals is very one-sided. So yeah, let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. And like I said, I'd really be interested to follow some more female stackers. So do please leave their links or channel names in the comments as well, so I can check them out and subscribe to them. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.